Just look at this, guys. We are on our way to Moir Point. And just look at the traffic. The only problem here is that it's very. We are at the famous Guna Caves, and these are those routes. I think traveling in May was a bad decision. Just look at the rush over here. This is also one rush. Job, So hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video. So the date today is 24th. Yeah, so and the time right now is 12. We just came from the room, and like if we run even a little bit, like we become breathless. So now we are going to a cafe downstairs. So it's I guess like 3-4 minutes from here. Yeah, so the plan for today is we'll have our breakfast now. And then we already booked a cab, so he'll come like at 12:30, and then we'll move. So this place that we are going to is quite famous over here, and like today we'll be covering the entire valley route. So there are like 12 places that we'll be covering up. Yeah, so I was just looking at those puppies. Yeah, so the reason why we are moving late is I was working a bit because our company has some demos today, so I was just working, and they also waited for me. I actually asked them to have breakfast and come, but then they decided to wait. We also met like a new guy. Oh, look at this one, just look at this one. Oh, this is a German Shepherd. Oh, there are 2 German Shepherd puppies. Okay. I think German Shepherds are quite famous over here because almost every house has German Shepherd. As I was saying, we met a new guy in a hostel. It was like so he's traveling solo. So he was like, what we are doing. So we just told him our plan. Was like, can he join us? So we just spoke to our cab driver if he could arrange. And yeah, he'll be traveling with us for today. But he already had his breakfast, so we'll have our breakfast and come. Yeah, so we have come to this cafe over here. So this is like how it looks. And this is the view from here. So the ambience of the place is like really good. Even the coffee is good. So we ordered a coffee and he ordered a black coffee. I'll just finish some of my work. Like we ordered pasta, so that's why I'll show it to you all also. Yeah, so we got spaghetti. This is white sauce pasta and this is red sauce pasta. Yeah, so like since we wanted to try different things, what we did is we mixed up all 3 of our plates. So we'll have this, and then a cab driver is waiting for us. Just look at the view from this thing, cafe. Like I wish this was a view, from our rooms. Like the entire full of Kodaikanal can be seen from here. Yeah, so now our cab driver is waiting. We are just going over there near him. We left from that place. The food was like really good. We had pastas and spaghetti. Now our cab driver is waiting for us near a hostel. So it's just like 2-3 minutes from here that we have to walk through. I was saying, it's like drizzling a bit. Not drizzling also, it's just like mist. No, not visible to the phone. Yeah, so like we got in a cab. We are going to we are going to Moir Point first, and then we'll be going to Guna Caves.
On the way. This is on the way. Now one way.
Oh, okay.
One way, we'll cover it.
Okay. On our way to Moir Point, and just look at the traffic in front. Back again, we are stuck in traffic. I think we have come to Moir viewpoint here. I think that's the place. I'm not sure. And just look at this, guys. They're like those boring travelers. They won't talk. They'll be like dead serious. I don't know what to do. They'll just be like they are more happy addicted to the phone, but not traveling and exploring places. Disappointing. There's a lot of rush over here. Like I think even over there. Like we came here, just look at the rush over here. This is also one rush. Jam yeah, so just look at the rush here. And this is the entire line that we have to cover up. So we are finally in. And we'll just check the viewpoint. This is the viewpoint here. I wish they could, make this wall bit more high. Huh? I don't understand how we will look at the viewpoint from here. Oh, there's a waterfall also. A small one. But I think there was some Moya viewpoint. Yeah, so this is only the Moya viewpoint. I thought I saw a photo like while coming, like it was really good. Also, I think with the ice cream yesterday, I caught cold and both my nostrils are like blocked. I think my sinus is triggered again. Yeah, but the viewpoint is here. Like it is good, but the rush is like too much here. Save wildlife. I just saved these two guys. But I don't understand. Mefran, तुझा photo कितना था? ऐसे का? We just came to sit over here, and just look at the rush over here. We moved on to our next point. I guess we are going to Guna Caves. Yeah, so yesterday, we walked for like 1 hour and we were sweating. But still, this guy did not have bath yesterday. So only me and Mefran had bath. But this one... so I was just thinking like, why it's smelling over here. Then I just realized it's this one. Hey, it's your first time. Yes, so just looking at this traffic, we are missing our bikes. If we had our bikes now, we would just like slide through this traffic and go. Like even while coming over here, we were just thinking that why we did not come with our own vehicles. Because this is very irritating over here. Just look, there is no signal also, but this guy, just look at his addiction to the phone. So we are stuck in this traffic like for half an hour. So our driver is gone out to check what's the issue. Bikes are going, but cars are like jam-packed. So we did not have much work. So we compared all three of our phones and we compared the sound and all, and now we are done. We are bored. He just kept his phone over here.
I'm connected to nature.
We entered the pine tree forest. So this is full of pine tree. Yeah, so because the traffic is too much, we are going walking. So it's just like 2-minute walkable from here. Outside it's like pretty cold as compared to the car. So he's saying that it's just like close by only. This was the reason behind the traffic. I think they are just dropping people here and then they are moving, so that's why there's a lot of traffic stuck up over here. Also today we wore shoes. It's like a bit comfortable as wearing two slippers. Because yesterday after walking for like 1 hour, our legs were hurting a bit. Look how peaceful he is sitting among the people. I'm just worried that they might snatch our phones. Yes, so I think it's time to move now. So he's going to find magic mushrooms.
Yeah, let's go.
So he saw something. Yeah, so like the climate here is really good. But I think we should make a move now if we want to see Guna Caves. So the time right now is 5:44. Sorry, 3:44. But I think by the time we move from here, it will be time of. We took chana masala. One good thing is that they don't allow plastic plates, and I think even that is the reason why they don't have a 1 liter water bottles, because then it makes a lot of plastic. Even here I was checking, they have only 5 liter water bottles here. In a cab, we are going to Guna Caves now, and we got some chocolates also. Like this is caramel chocolate, this is normal white chocolate, and this is there was roasted almond chocolate also. I think it's over. Yeah, I think it's over. Yeah, so the chocolate's also good. And we got this.
Guna Caves in
We got this Imli chocolates also. Like they reminded me of my childhood when I was in school. I used to eat a
Guna
lot.
movie shoot it as a Guna.
So now we are on our way to Guna Caves, and yet again we are stuck in traffic. I think today's vlog will be fully in traffic only. But I think Guna Caves is like how long, Bhaiya?
2 minutes walk.
2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes from here. So this guy has only few moods. He'll either eat or be on the phone, play Free Fire. That's it. Only these things. You won't see him doing anything good. Only eating and the phone.
life is easy when you do two things.
You know,
Only two things.
he's just, by the way, he's just 16, but he's become a date. Yes, so we are back on foot now, and as I told you all, that this guy has only a few things. He got chocolates. Bolsa na kare, bolsa na koi. See? So Guna Caves is 15 minutes from here. Reached Guna Caves. We just have to see where they are. Oh, I think it's over there. Oh, okay. Yeah. So I think we'll have to walk from here for some time. That's the main entry. We are on our trek to Guna Caves, and this is like the rush here. So I think there's a 15 minutes walk now for us to reach.
Yeah.
And it is a good thing that we did not stop to eat over there, because here the closing time is 4:30 and it's like already 4:20 now. We are at the famous Guna Caves, and these are those routes where like everyone clicks the pictures. So the caves are closed because like 93 people have gone missing over here. Oh yeah, we'll just click photos over here. And we'll check the caves also. So I think these are like some of the entrances to the caves. But they have packed it up. Here also there are. It does not look like they're supposed to be deep, but just look. Like right up all the way. So we'll just climb up over there and check. So I think like this is one more entrance to it. Just look at like how deep they are. I just wonder like what did they think even while going to these caves. They are like so deep. And just look, they look so dangerous also. I think these are all the entrances to the distinct caves. See how good it looks from here. There's a waterfall. This is like the top view of it. So we clicked some photos here, and now we are going back to our cab. So it's already like 4:50. The place is quite good, but at this time it's overcrowded. Otherwise we could get like really good shots and videos. Yes, so we came from there, and now we are stopped to have coffee and lemon soda. Let's see. Okay, we'll buy something to eat also, because we did not have our lunch. Yes, so I'm having fresh lime soda. My friend's having coffee, and one more fresh lime soda is going to come. So the it's masala soda, so it's tasting good. I think now we are almost done with the points. 2-3 more points that we have to cover up. So we are having mirchi now. Although we are not that hungry, but we'll just have something like because we had pasta and all quite late, so like we are full. Okay. Yes, so we are back on our way to Pillar Rock. We just came out of traffic from there, and now it's a bit clear. So that's the Pillar Rock. And like everywhere I go now, I make a point that I buy this thing, magnets, fridge magnets from there. So I think so I got this one. This is like the pine tree. So we'll go for a view of the Pillar Rocks now. After like quite a while we can see sunlight, and that gives us like a good view of this Pillar Rocks. So we'll just go in front. So there's a waterfall also here, and those are the Pillar Rocks. Oh, with the sunrise it's very difficult. Okay, yeah. You know, this view like looks really good. Just see. But the only problem here is that you know it's very crowded at this time. I think traveling in May was a bad decision. Now we are going to golf. Where we are going now? Golf.
Golf course and shopping
Golf course, and then there's a shopping point over there. Yeah, so this is a golf court here.
Play here.
This one?
One was going in.
Ah.
I think after a round we have reached the city back again now. We are now back to the main city, and like behind it was Cloakers Walk and all, but yesterday we covered it, so we did not wait over there. So we just asked our driver to drop us like to the main city only. So again we are stuck in traffic. So this guy is already like out of battery. This one is a bit there. He's also on the verge of getting extinguished. But yeah, it was a good day today. Now we'll just explore the market over here, and like we'll see what's new. Maybe we might have anything because we did not have lunch also today. Our driver just dropped us here, so we are come to this shop over here. Yesterday, I think because of the ice cream, I got like a really bad cold. I took tablet also in the morning, but it did not help. So like they have some handicrafts here. So it's showing that there is a bus at 8:30 am and 4:30 pm. So I think we'll take the bus only because the cab is saying 5,000 from here to there. So the bus is taking around 6 hours, which is valid. It takes 6 hours only. So I was just waiting for some like ticket counter or something like that, wherein I could ask for this thing, actual rates and all. We were searching for water, but you know all that they have is this 5-liter water bottles. So it seems that 10 rupees and 20 rupee water bottles are banned in here, over here because of the plastic. So my just one thing is what do we do if we want to have like little water, because from day 4 yesterday we did not have water. We are just filling up bottles from our room only, but when we are traveling outside we have no water at all. Like even yesterday we were climbing, we did not get any water. So this is bit of a problem. Even what they have is all milk products which we don't want. Let's see. We'll see what we get. These chips packets, they are like fully bloated up. So I am thinking of buying this because there's no water and I'm getting some headache. So I'll just buy this. Yes, so like we have come to this place over here. That is the Tibetan kitchen. So we just read about it on the internet. So they had good ratings. Just see what they have and try some things here. We ordered beef tuppa and this is chicken tuppa. So this is salt lassi. So we did not try salt lassi. So we just thought that we'll have it. And as usual, this guy's food is still not come. So we had food over there, and we have come to this petrol pump. Actually, our cab driver said that he'll come over here, so we are just waiting for him. There is a lot of rush in Kodaikanal right now, that too in the main city. So yeah, we just saw that oh here, our cab is here. Okay. We are back at our stay. And yeah, here it is. So today was like a really good day. We enjoyed a lot, especially like the Guna caves and all. They were good. Only thing is, during this time it's a bit crowded. So he is giving me the stock again, chocolate stock. That is all he is good for. Yeah. So now we'll just sit inside. We'll chill for a little sometime. That this sitting area over here, which is quite good. So we'll sit over there and wait for some time. Yeah, so like we came in and I'm not feeling well. I feel like I'm getting cold. I had got tablets, so I'll just take this. There is a little bit of water. Since today morning I am getting continuous sneezes. I think it's my sinus that's getting triggered. So yeah, I'll just take this tablets. And we ordered food also. We ordered just a gravy and like naan. Let's see when that comes. Yes, so we had bath and now we have come to have dinner. So we have butter chicken and we have naan. Yeah, so we had our dinner and they went down also to give the plates and all. So yeah, it was a really good day today. The sightseeing especially, we really enjoyed. I think the voice is echoing. Yeah, so I was saying that we really enjoyed today. Yeah, I think that's going to be for today's video. Tomorrow we'll be going back to Coimbatore. So we have like a bus at 8:30. So we'll get up at morning like 7 o'clock. Probably we'll go to sleep early today. It's just 11 o'clock. So I'll edit the video and then I'll go to sleep. Till then, I hope you all like the video. Please do like, share, comment, and if you all haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do so. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.